Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Angelica and I create videos about DIY projects, thrifting and lifestyle every single week. So if you are interested in these topics, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me for longer. So today I'm coming to you with a new video where I will be showing 3 different ideas on autumn home decorations. If you see my previous video, you would know that I'm not the biggest fan of autumn, so I'm creating a new cozy decoration just to brighten up this gloomy time of the year. All these projects are really easy and budget friendly. I also try to keep them in like autumn colors and vibe, so I hope you will find something you like. And without any further ado, let's start with the first project. For this project I'm using wooden rings, which I believe I used to hang some curtains. I bought mine really cheap on car boot sale, but I'm sure you can find them in a home store. To start, I'm removing the hooks which are attached to the rings. Don't throw them away, keep them on the side. I'm sure you are going to use them one day. Now I'm sanding down the places after hooks, just a little bit of sanding to smoother the ring surface. So my plan is to create high vase using these wooden rings. I'm simply attach them together using hot glue. Put the glue all around the ring and place another ring on top of it. Hold for a few seconds and then repeat it. I've used 7 rings, but of course you can add more for higher result. Because it's autumn decoration, I want to give it orange color, but I'm mixing orange paint with sand color for more pastel effect. Then I'm adding some baking soda to achieve this well-known by all DIY lovers effect. Stir it well and apply the first layer on your ring vase. First layer doesn't cover very well, so for sure I will have to add few more. Then I've repeated the process with my smaller rings. This time I want my vase to be much higher and in different color. I'm using the sand color paint, which I also use on my first vase. I really like how it turned out. Love the unique shape which rings create. Nice to keep some artificial flowers in them, and the orange color really brings the autumn vibe. For my second project, I want to change the look of my polystyrene pumpkins, and to do it I'm using some grey and white wool. I start with removing stem from my pumpkin. Now take your sharp knife and cut out the hole through the pumpkin. Of course, be very careful using the knife. I'm cutting halfway through one side and then halfway through the other side. Once you got clean hole in your pumpkin, it's time to decorate it with some wool. For easy process, I'm using plastic needle from my waving kit. Put it through the hole and pull it till the halfway of your wool. And then again, put needle through the hole and pull it. To keep organic shape of pumpkin, I pull the wood bit more when it comes to cover the dents in the pumpkin. Repeat this process all the way to fully cover color underneath. To finish it off and secure the wool, I'm creating knot. With the stem, I've decided to change it a little bit as well, so I'm gluing some hemp rope around it. With my second pumpkin, I've done exactly the same thing using a grey wool. If you're a fan of more minimalistic looking decoration, this idea will be great for you. I think they look super cute and cozy. For my last project, I'm using square cotton canvas and some artificial leaves. So I've created a little sketch of how I want my final painting to look like. Then, using pencil, I draw it on my canvas. I always prefer to do the sketch on canvas before actual painting to make sure everything I want fits and looks good. To paint my branches, I mix some brown and black paint together. Using thin brush, I paint over my sketch. Once all branches are painted, I'm planning the right layout of my leaves. I want them to stick out of the frame as well. Then, using Mod Podge, I'm gluing them to my canvas. I only glue middle part of the leaf as I want it to look more realistic and 3D. Place tiny amount of glue and hold it for a few seconds. Then I'm writing over my pencil sketch. I wrote the word autumn and other words associated with this season. I'm using gel pen, but you can use paint and brush to do it. Then I connect my leaves to the branch with painting some thin stem. And my 3D wall decoration is ready. You can use real leaves for a more natural look. I think it's a really nice and outstanding autumn decoration for your home. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you like these projects. Let me know in comments down below if you are going to try any of them, and if you do, always tag me on my Instagram or send me a photo. I'm really interested to see how your decorations turn out. I will also try to be more active on Instagram and maybe add more DIY projects over there. So please click the like button if you enjoyed this video and I inspired you somehow to do a new DIY project. Thank you so much for watching and your support, and I will see you next time.